Cardano's up nearly 50% in the last month, and I am more excited than ever about ADA. Cardano looks super, super strong right now. They've got a ton of things going on in terms of their new upgrades. Developers are flocking. TVL is moving up, and Cardano, in my opinion, is really, really well situated here to be one of the big movers and shakers, one of the quote Ethereum killers that I think can make some big, big moves. Now, while Ethereum's not going anywhere anytime soon, there are Ethereum competitors that I think will outpace Ethereum in this upcoming bull run, and I love Cardano to be one of those. A lot of people loving Solana and the price action over there right now. I like Solana too, but I still like Cardano because it is yet to really pop off, and I think it's super undervalued right now. So in this video, I want to take you through some of the scenarios where I think Cardano could go and bring you up to speed on some of the updates right now with the price action, where we see it going, as the rest of the market looking pretty strong right now. You know, this is the first time in a really long time, first time since June 2022, we saw the global crypto market cap get over 1.3 trillion. We're actually at 1.41 trillion. And some of that liquidity that's coming in is coming into top altcoins like Cardano. We'll see if this continues. I don't think the bull run has officially started, in my opinion, yet. I'm hesitant to say that, right? I don't know for sure. I don't have a crystal ball or anything like that, but I am playing it relatively safe. Luckily, you know, I was accumulating Cardano down at 25 cents when we were stuck there for a while. That's where I was, you know, preaching from the mountaintops. This is a great opportunity, right? Now, Cardano is trying to make a break toward 40 cents right now. If we take you inside this chart right now, make sure you guys smash the like button too for us. Definitely helps us out. It'll push this up in the old algorithm, get more people in the ADA ecosystem in here. So yeah, we're trying to make a push toward 40 cents. We're on a little bit of a back downtrend here right now, just under 37. But yesterday we made a push over 38 cents. And if we look at the last year here, we were up here back in April of about 45, 46 cents. It'd be nice if we can close that gap. Here's that 40 cent mark right there. We might be able to go ahead and test these mid 40 cent levels here if this rally continues for us. Taking a look at the alt chart, still just a ton of room to move up. Obviously, here with Cardano, I think we're going to blow past previous all-time highs of $3.10. The question is, just how high do we go? You know, not too long ago, Coin Bureau put out an article that he thinks Cardano has an outside chance of going to $25 in this next bull cycle. All right, so what would happen if that happens? We're going to take a look at that. Then we're going to take a look at some of the macro news around Cardano, some of the key things you need to know. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video. But right now I've got, if Cardano had Ethereum's market cap of about 250 billion in there, this is pretty conservative estimate. One ADA would be worth about $7.14. It's an upside of about 18x. I think this is a pretty good conservative estimate here for Cardano, getting to where Ethereum is today. Now, mind you, Ethereum will be bigger as well. It'll be much larger once we get into the full-fledged bull cycle. But Coin Bureau was talking about how these cycles work, was talking about how Cardano is behind Ethereum in its cycle, right? Ethereum had a huge cycle back in 2021. So can Cardano have a similar type move than Ethereum, right? That's a big question here right now. Can that play out for Cardano like Ethereum played out this previous bull cycle? So if we take a look at this at Coin Bureau's price prediction, $25. If Cardano had a market cap of 873 billion, one ADA would be worth 25 bucks. That is an upside of about 66x from here. Now, recently we were at 25 cents. You could do the math. That would be 100x, which is crazy, right? So we went from 100x to a 66x just on the move from 25 cents to 37 cents. I made that video, guys, said, listen, this is so undervalued. Now, this is one thing we're watching here. Cardano price prediction, as the ADA volume ramps up, it's its highest level in 6 months. Whales look to be accumulating. We could see that on multiple different scales here, that whales are accumulating Cardano right now. And the Cardano price has risen by 2% in the past hour, and there it is right there. We're seeing some market-wide gains. ADA has also risen 17.5% in the last 7 days and up about 50% in the last month or so. And again, this is a big, big deal. Highest level in 6 months. We have to go back, back in April to where we made some really, really nice moves there in the overall markets, and Cardano had a huge, huge run. But we're taking a look at closing this gap again and getting up over 40 cents. That's going to be the surge we need to see. And there has been a ton of rumors about BlackRock, now getting into Ethereum, obviously filing for the Ethereum ETF. What will they do next? What cryptos will they look at next? Right? I think Cardano should be one of them. Cardano, Chainlink, Polygon. These are some of the cryptos that come to mind. XRP, but maybe not because it's in a league of its own and it's kind of different. But you look at some of these alts that are doing some unique things. Cardano, Polygon, Chainlink would be next up, I think. This is potentially huge for altcoins such as ADA, since such an ETF, if accepted, would open the floodgates for similar ETFs for other tokens such as Cardano. And again, this article was just written right before the news came out that the Ethereum ETF is coming. When this is added to its network general growth this year, the Cardano price could easily race beyond 50 before the year is out. We shall see what happens. But no matter what, we are looking at, we're looking at great upside potential for Cardano in this next bull cycle. And I think it's really going to be something to watch. Now, we're going to come back to one more thing with Cardano here in just a second. We'll come back to this screen in just a minute. But I do want to talk to you guys about a company called Seedify. So this video is being sponsored by Seedify. They are big time. Join top-tier AI, Web3 gaming, and metaverse IDOs with Seedify. Decide your tier, stake or farm S fund, and participate in all the token launches we bring to you in a guaranteed way. This is a massive, massive incubator, guys. Great opportunity. So if you want to have an opportunity to get in early and trade with the pros, Seedify might be something you want to look at. I'm going to leave all the links down below, but let me tell you a little bit more about what they've got cooking up right now. So Seedify, right now, it was the leading launchpad in 2021. It had an average of 44x per launch in 2021. That is crazy. 44x on average when you're launching tokens and projects through Seedify. Massive, massive gains there. As people want to get early into gaming tokens, because gaming is a huge sector that's upcoming, Seedify will be the first choice. And this will make their token S fund increasingly bullish as well, because you won't only make money from S funds rise, but also from the allocations you get from launches. Seedify has a guaranteed refund policy as well. So if you don't like the performance of a launch, you can refund your project allocations in the first 7 days after launch. Think about that. You don't like how it performed, you can get out, right? And if you guys go over to Twitter and check out Seedify, they are massive, massive, massive company in this space, and you guys can see it right here. Some of the top influencers in the space follow them as well. So when they reached out, I took a look at this and said, wow, this is actually a really, really good opportunity to get in and trade like the VCs, trade like the pros. Again, launchpad for DeFi, AI, big data, Web3 games, metaverses, NFTs. So check them out. Links down below. And again, Seedify is already the highest ROI launchpad of 2023 as well. So you can confirm that by a link I'll drop down below in the description. So check out all the links if you're looking to get into Seedify. Now, one last thing before we close things out with Cardano. If we take a kind of price point in between that $7 and $25, I like to take this and just say half of that $25 price target. I really like a $13.50 price target here for Cardano. I think this could be something certainly to watch, a 35x. Let me know what you guys think down below. Appreciate you guys as always. We'll see you. Bye.